The Honorable Deputy President.
Iphini likaMengameli litshele iPhalamende ngesinqumo sangeviki ledlule sokumiswa kwezikhulu eziphezulu ezine zakwa-Eskom. Uthi emva kwezinyanga ezintathu zophenyo kuzobe sekucaca ukuthi kwenzakalani ngekusasa lalaba.
Bahlatshisa ikhefu nje lezinyanga ezintathu ngesikhathi kuqhubeka uphenyo. Emveni kwalokho ikusasa lalezi zikhulu liyobe seliyacaca.
uRamaphosa uphinde wayalela iPhalamende ngokuthi yilona ekufanele lihambe phambili emsebenzini wokuqinisekisa umoya wobumbano emphakathini kanye nowokuzwana. Kodwa uthe umnyango wezobuciko namasiko usuqalile umkhankaso wokuqinisekisa lokhu.
We've all not only been concerned about these attacks.
Asikhathazekile nje kuphela ngokuhlaselwa kwabantu bokufika kuleli, kodwa nodaba lokucwasa ngokobuhlango lokhu lubuya kancane kancane. Ngenye yezinto esikhathazayo neyenzekayo kusona lesi sifundazwe saseNtshonalanga Kapa.
Are matters of serious concern to us.
Iphini likaMengameli liphinde lathi lona kufanele kube umsebenzi wawo wonke umuntu okulwisana nokucwaswa ngokwebala kanye nokucwaswa kwabokufika kuleli. uRamaphosa ukubeke kwacaca ukuthi uhulumeni angeke amelane nalezi zigameko zokucwasa ngokwebala.
Many of our people have had enormous experience in the work that they have done over many years, and that has been realized as